Look at this goat.
Lacey Lou. Why? I wondered why my gate was breaking. Do you have any remorse? Or are you happy with your situation? Oh. Dog brooder says, here, I help. Here comes biological mom. Can you get your head out? Hi, dude. Are you able to get your head out of here, Lacey Lou? So yeah, but what's the fun in that? Okay, Lacey. Lacey, get back. This is not a time to push against me with all of your might, little goat. Go. Lacey. Oh, you're gonna join the crew. Okay. Okay, now she can definitely get out.
Dodo.
Go on. Get your head out. There we go. Okay.